There are thousands of supplements on the market from which to choose. The big question is, how do we know which ones to take? How do we know if we're wasting our money that we've worked so hard to earn? And we really don't, unless you have been in the industry like me for a long time. You're not equipped with the resources to correctly ascertain the quality of supplements. So the big question is, what's the most expensive nutritional supplement on the market? The answer is the one that doesn't work because it can't get in. So V&I is absolutely a game changer in the industry, and here's a reason why. V&I is the only company known to have 40 published clinical studies to date, and we have 3 patents with more patents pending on our proprietary exclusive technologies supporting the finished product. This translates to unprecedented scientific validation. N-Sorb boosts and strengthens metabolism and vitality, supports digestion of proteins, fats, and carbs, supports intestinal health and elimination, and the latest research demonstrates that it boosts immune competence and promotes cellular detoxification, improves cell structure, function, stamina, energy output, improves mental clarity. It's an anti-aging and life extension product extraordinaire. Life-changing benefits, again, evidenced by an astonishing high customer retention rate. V&I's proprietary exclusive proteasome technology is the foundation for all products with a tagline, nutrition that gets in.